तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू केवीआर गेमिंग सिस्टम। तो आज जो हमने पीसी बिल्ड किया है उस थोड़ी हटके वीडियो बनाई है, जिसमें जो हार्डवेयर यूज हुए हैं आज उसमें मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, आज बोलेंगे कस्टमर थोड़ा एक डिफरेंट तरीके से। तो चलिए वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट।
Three, two, one. Yeah. ये हो गया। So hello guys, this is मैंने अपना फाइनली 5 साल बाद अपना ड्रीम गेमिंग पीसी बिल्ड किया है by a lot of effort, thanks to good marks in my exams, thanks to my father by the way. So the specs in this are crazy for gaming, of course, in 1440p. So first I went with the i5 14500. It is an absolute incredible of a CPU with has 14 cores. And then I went to this cooler. I didn't really need an AIO cooler and a liquid cooler because it gets really easily worn out. So I got with this. It's a very good cooler, as you can see. It is doing the job perfectly. Then I went with a 650 watt silver power supply by Deepcool. It is a very good power supply and I think the best in the market right now. Then I went with an overkill gigabyte motherboard, which is the B760M gaming motherboard. It is an overkill for this processor. Then I went with the all of an absolute legend of NVIDIA 1440p, the RDX 4060. Then I went with DDR5 5200 MHz RAM. It is very fast and does the job for me perfectly. Then I went with this PCIe 4.0 M.2 SSD by Crucial, 1 TB, enough for my games and probably enough for everything else. And this cabinet is an absolute monster kill for its price. It's looking so good and it's white, which I obviously needed. So look at the RGB, and you can also customize it by Gigabyte Aura. Best thing. So this was all done by my favorite friends, KVR Gaming System. They have a wide range of graphics cards and processors. You should buy from here if you want to buy anything for school, gaming, editing. By the way, for every purchase you do here, you will get this amazing headphones, which is RGB too. For every purchase, come at KVR Gaming Setup at NERHU Place. This is a monster gift. Thank you for all of this.
तो गाइस, आपने वीडियो पूरी देख ही ली होगी। जो कस्टमर ने बताया हार्डवेयर के बारे में आपको बता ही दिया कस्टमर ने, ठीक है। और जो प्राइस होने वाला है टोटल पीसी का वो होने वाला है 82,600। तो अगर आपको भी ऐसे पीसी चाहिए, जो भी आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, वो स्क्रीन पे आ रहा होगा नंबर, प्लीज नंबर पे कांटेक्ट करिए या फिर व्हाट्सअप करिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अगर आपको भी ऐसी वीडियोस चाहिए तो चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि आपको वीडियोस मिलती रहे।